Quick Service Refrigerator Repair, Temple Hills, Maryland. 301-248-5566. We service all makes and models, and also offer 24-hour emergency service. Credit cards accepted. We service, install, and repair residential refrigeration systems as well as commercial refrigeration systems. Keep your fridge running fresh. Free service call with repair. Give us a call now and schedule an appointment today. 301-248-5566.